Hi, as a part of Pandas tutorial, in this lecture, we are going to discuss how to create a Pandas series using Python dictionary. Okay, so to write the code, I'm using the Google Colab and we are going to discuss all these 8 points. Okay, the first one is how to use this index parameter and index containing missing key, custom order of index, accessing the values, and accessing the multiple values in the series, and modifying the values, and add new element and delete element. All these 8 points we are going to discuss regarding the series with the dictionary here. Okay, the first one is the we are creating a dictionary. First, we are creating a series using a dictionary here. See, here I have a dictionary marks. Okay, marks we have here. And so, one more thing, I need to add the code cell. So, okay, let's copy this one and keep it here. And first of all, I had to use import pandas as PD. Okay, that the endpoints of pandas at PD. And if you see, I want to create a series using dictionary. See here, I have a dictionary of marks where I have the key max and 95, physics 88, chemistry 91, English 84. So I have a dictionary of marks and I want to create a series here. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a variable scr and equal to pd dot I use a method called series. Okay, series, and I pass this marks dictionary here. Okay, and just I want to print this scr I want to print the series here. See, I'm creating a series by using the marks dictionary. Okay, I'm passing these marks in the series method and this I'm creating a panda series. And if you see the output, we have the maths 95, chemistry 84, chemistry 91, English 84 here. See, if you observe one thing here, the key of a dictionary is treated as a index label. So if it is a label of the index max and the same the values of the dictionary will treated as the values of the series. Okay, this thing we need to remember. The keys of the dictionary will treated as the index labels and values of the dictionary will be treated as the series values. Okay, that is very, very important. So we have created a series, Panda series using the marks dictionary here. Okay, that is simple. Now, the first point is using index parameter. What is this using index parameter? Just copy here and yes, I want to add here a text here. Okay, just provide this one and save it. Okay, and now we go to code cell. Okay, so how we can able to use this index parameter here? See here, I printed the series, I've created series the marks, right? Here I want to use this marks. I just copy this code. Here I provide the one more parameter called index. So marks comma, I say index. Here I provide the list. I say as just I provide English, English, and I say as physics. Okay, physics here. So here I'm see here we have 4 subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, and English. But index I have provided only English and physics. How the output will look like? Okay, run here. See if we say the output, it the output will be okay. The series output will be okay. English and physics only because we have created a series and index. I provide only English and physics only out of 4 subjects. I am providing index of only 2 here. So the outcome, the series which is created will have only 2 values here. So that is we remember. Okay, this we have to remember that if you provide the only number of index, suppose we have five values, five keys in a dictionary, and if we provide the index only two, the specified key only displayed here. So here the key is English and physics. So the series which have created will have only two values here, English and physics. So we need to remember this one. Okay, the second point, that is the index containing missing key here. Okay, so what exactly this talks about? Create text here. No, I want to paste it here. Okay, I want to paste it here and then text. So save it. So index containing the missing key. Save it here and code. Okay. So how exactly works here? So I just copy the same thing here. Copy this one. Here, if you observe, we have marks, maths, physics, chemistry, English, but we do not have biology here. Suppose I give this biology here. Okay, index I say biology. Biology. Okay, I given here. See if you observe, not here, sorry, it's not here. I provide here. Okay, this is the one. So here I need to provide say biology. Okay, see here if you see here, if you see our original dictionary, we have maths, physics, chemistry, English. But what I'm doing here, I'm creating a series, okay, and I provide the index English, physics, and biology. Biology subject is not there. Biology subject is not there in our marks dictionary. So what will happen if you provide the key which is not there in our dictionary, and I want to create a series, okay, how the series will be created? Click on here, click on run. If you see for biology index, it has a not a number. Okay, so you remember that one when you are working with the dictionary and you are providing a index but is a key which is not present in our dictionary, the automatically series will be created and the value we provide as a NaN, that is not a number. Okay, this thing we have to remember. We are working with the dictionary when the index contains a missing key from the dictionary. If we are using missing key, that the biology is a missing key in our dictionary, but we are using it in the creating a series, then automatically the series will be created with a NaN, not a number. Okay, this is one of the concept in the series when you are working with the dictionary here. Okay, so next one you go. Next one is the custom order of the index. What is the custom order of the index here? Okay, go back here and I said text here, save and just add it code instead of code cell. Okay, see custom order of index. So here what I will do, I just copy this one. Okay, and here I provide copy paste here. Here I want to print all the values here. That is the maths, physics, chemistry here. Just copy, come back here. Mm, okay, I give the index here. What I want first, I want English, then I want maths marks. Okay, so I'm customizing the order of this one: maths, English, math, physics, and then I want chemistry. Okay, then I want chemistry. Then I want last one, I want English. So I'm customizing the order. Without customizing, directly. So what I print without customizing here. Just remove this one. Just copy here, cut it here, and run it here. See, if we see without customizing the order, I have maths, physics, chemistry, English as per our dictionary created. Here, what I'm doing, I customize the order. You see the difference here? Here, I customize the order. You see, if I just a minute. Just copy this one to see the difference. Okay, sorry. To see the difference here. And I provide the custom index here. Okay, see, I provide the index here, marks dot. Okay, here I provide the index here. If we see our original marks dictionary, we have when you create a series, we have maths, physics, chemistry, English. But here I'm customizing the index. First, I had come the English, maths, physics, chemistry, and then English. Okay, I remove. Okay, give it no problem. Okay, run it here. See if this is the output. The we are customizing the index here means by using the index parameter, we can change the order of the key and value in our created series here. Okay, so this is the use of this customized index. Okay, and next is the accessing the values. Okay, this is access how we can able to access the value here inside the code cell. No, okay, I want to insert here. Okay, add the code cell here. Okay, add a cell test here. Mm, okay, mm, accessing the values. Okay, and now add a code cell. Now I want to access the value here. Okay, so the series is the SCR. Okay, so how I want to frame. Okay, the SCR is the name of the series, and I want the value of English marks of English here. Okay, just say so. Just in the square bracket, provide the key. Okay, that is a label here, key here. Okay, just print. If you see the marks in the English subject is 84 because I provided two here. So instead of that one, with confusing, I said math, MAT. Okay, just run it here. So we can able to access the value in a series by using the index index label. This is the index label here. Max is a index label where this max is a key in the dictionary. Okay, this is how you can able to access here. And I want to access the multiple, access the values, and I say multiple values also. Just say multiple values, multiple values. Okay, so here I'm accessing only one value. I want to access multiple values. Just say SCR is the name of the series and provide the string like this. Okay, just say max subject max, and then I want for chemistry also. Okay, just print it here. Okay, I think chemistry one is a max and is a chemistry. Just yes, come on. Okay, okay. Mm, no, probably given here. What bracket I need to do? Let's just check it out. Mm, mm. Yeah, see, to access the single value, I given this square brackets. Okay, and in square brackets, I give provide the label series label here, MAT. Okay, MATH here. So if you want to access the multiple values, we need to provide this square brackets and one more square brackets means two square brackets I had to give here. Okay, so if you not give it, they give a syntax error. Okay, so you can able to access the multiple values also from the series. Okay, so we had used the square bracket name of the series and square brackets, and we need to provide the label. Okay, and the same thing if you want to access multiple values, you had to give the double square brackets and you had to give this values here. Okay, this you have to remember. And next is the next point we are going to discuss is the how to modify, add a new element and delete. All these things we are going to look into it. Okay, go back here. Okay, all these things we are going to add a cursor. Say I want to modify. See, if you see the marks in chemistry, I got 91, but I want to make this marks as a 100 here. What I will do in the series? The series name is a SCR, and I have to give the series, like I say, uh, square brackets. I say chemistry. The name of the subject is chemistry label. The label of the series is the chemistry equal to 100. And then I want to print the series here. Print SCR. So if you see, if I run this one, the marks are updated for the chemistry is 100 here. Okay, we are modifying the series value here, okay, for the particular label. The label is a chemistry, okay. The label is a chemistry. I am updating based upon the label. I am updating the value of a element in a series, okay. So now I want to, so we'll see how to modify here. Now I want to add a new element, okay. So I have a question. So if we see here, we do not have a subject called auto nuclear uh, physics. Okay, I want added this new label and value to our series. How we can able to do it? Provide the series name, series, and I say square brackets, nuclear, nuclear physics. Okay, just say nuclear physics as 99, and if print here, it added a new value, a new element to our series here. If you see the output, we have English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, English, and then Nuclear Physics 99. Okay, so we added here. Okay, you can add the new element to our series. Then next one is a delete. So delete, for deleting, we had to use a keyword called del, and then the series name, and then the label, whatever label we need to delete the I want to delete English here because we have two values English. I just say English here, English. Okay, and then I want to print this series, the name of the series here. Just run it. See, if we see the output. Okay, the English has the two labels and values here in the series. We are deleting the element from the series. So we had to give DL and name of the series and the label we had to provide here. Okay, if you see the in previous output we have the English label and the corresponding value. Here we use a delete from the series and provide the label here. If you see the output, English uh, element is removed from our series. Okay, so we have all covered all these things. Okay, so as a part of creating the Pandas series using Python dictionary, we have covered all these 8 topics. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.